Hey guys, here we are on the Char Griller Barbecue Wars Tour, and we are at our next location, and we are getting ready to go into Rudy's. And it says the country store and barbecue. That sign actually says the worst barbecue in Texas. So we're gonna see what happens. There's a lot of good reviews on here, but we want to go in here and check this place out. So let's go see what's going on.
All right, and I just want to note that Rudy's is huge in Texas. It's all over. I've been to the one in Amarillo, and it's always a part of a gas station. It's a gas station and a country store. If you guys remember, when I was moving to Tennessee, we stopped at it in Amarillo, Texas, I think. Let's get inside. It's getting windy out here. Part of Rudy's is that they're huge. They got seasonings and sauces and huge. This place is just huge. And this is at a gas station. This is like the country store part. We're in Selma, Texas, which is right outside of San Antonio. Rudy's wants you. Oh, they're at every Rudy's. Seriously. Okay, so pork ribs. Do they do beef ribs? I don't think so.
Hi y'all, welcome to Rudy's.
Green corn, beans, potatoes, coleslaw. Huh. All right, cool. And they got brisket. They don't have, they have chicken, pork ribs. They don't have pulled pork, do they? They don't have pulled pork. What is up? Oh, what is this?
Sweet corn. It's a little hot, sweet Carol.
A little hot. Sweet corn, guys.
Is this going to be for here? You said for here, right? Guys?
Yeah, it's for here.
I'm going to take care of your sides here first.
Okay.
We'll get some meats at the register.
Little sample sweet corn, dude. Are we doing it?
That's really good, man.
You want to do that, or you want to go with something different?
I want to stay with what we're doing.
All right.
Meats.
We'll take it now? All right, cool.
You have a good day.
So there's your sides, guys. Thank you.
Is that
Those
the
are
peach
single
cobbler?
servings. Yeah, it's peach cobbler. I know, I think it's huge. Okay, so when I was in Amarillo, Texas, they had burnt ends. We lucked out. They don't have any right now, but they normally, if you ask, you get them. They just give them to you. That is amazing. That is awesome. This is why I love Rudy's. So it's been a while since I've been here, so it's good to be back. All right, so let's take a look at the table. We got Rudy's barbecue sauce, spelled incorrectly. We have Cajun Chef hot sauce, toothpicks, salt and pepper. Nice. You got everything?
I think so.
Looks good. Boom. Got our food here, our meat. Boom.
It's cool out here, man. I like
Water.
this.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
Dude, that potato salad.
I know, it's
Looking
looking
good.
really good, dude. So's the coleslaw.
Coleslaw looks good.
Yeah, it
Beans
sure
look
does.
good. All right, so let's blow everything out. We learned the hard way. We've been ordering too much food. We got the bread. So we're gonna show you. That's the chicken.
Yep.
Right here, that's a half chicken. Pull that over. Those ribs, look at those ribs.
Really good.
Beautiful. And then there's our brisket, moist. Boom. So let's try everything. You ready?
I'm gonna start with this over here.
All right.
Potato salad. It's
Potato
yellow.
salad.
I'm sure I'm gonna- yeah.
You started out strong. Very yellow. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Boom, boom.
All right.
Yeah.
Coleslaw.
Yeah. Okay.
Dude, that looks really good. Kind of like the mayo, but hopefully there's a little tang to it too.
A little bit.
A little bit. All
Talk
right.
about that.
Get your spoon,
Bean time.
because we're doing some beans, and those look cowboy style too.
Yeah.
Little black bits in it. Not sure if that's pepper or some meat. Is there any meat in there?
Not that I can see, but anyway. I didn't taste any meat. It's not like that cowboy taste we had earlier.
Not peppery or kick in the
No,
mouth.
not really. So we'll
Okay.
talk about the beans later.
All right. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's cool.
That looks good.
Look at that bark.
Yeah,
Is that the best? Here we go.
it's really good.
All right, we're gonna take out this rib here. Here we go. Not really coming off the. I'm gonna bite that off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the other side. Hold on. Kind of weird. A little better.
Yeah. A little bit.
I love the whole spare rib though.
It's big.
All right, good.
Chicken.
Let's try a piece of chicken. Thankfully, we're back to chicken. Unlike the last place we had, the turkey. Come on, they cut this and like the bones are. I don't like my chicken cut like that, but whatever. All right, so here's the chicken. Here we go. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm not complaining about the chicken so far. So
Okay.
What are you talking about?
Well, I'm gonna do the meats now. But anyway, we were just talking about what's really interesting about Texas, dude. It's so different than what we went through, not just in Tennessee, but on that other barbecue war we did on the other tour in the South. In Texas, they're letting us order what we actually want to eat, or how do you so what's that?
Yeah, by the pound, by the quarter pound,
Yeah,
by the
so we're just ordering
two
like now
bones.
2 bones
Yeah.
instead of a half a rack or a full
We didn't
rack.
know.
We didn't know. So I mean, we were just destroying ourselves. But there wasn't an option because we only had like family platter styles.
Right.
You know, when we were trying to get the meats and all that. Here, we're able to tailor this in a little different, which is better.
Yeah, they're weighing the meat and
they
then
are.
charge us by the pound.
It's way better, you know, from what I'm seeing. At least how to order with 2 people. So
Cool.
it's working good. So that's good.
I love
Do
it.
I'm gonna try the brisket.
All right, brisket
good.
right there.
Yeah.
There you go. Not sure I would have put that much in my mouth.
That's good. Really. Very good, man.
Why? I can't hear you. What?
Very good, man.
What did you say?
Very good, man.
What are you doing?
Very good, man.
Forgive a minute?
No, very good, man.
You got to get a minute? Oh, it's going to take more than a minute. I'm going to wait till that mouth's empty. Don't tell me you're drinking water. Don't do that. Because the brisket we ordered wet, didn't we? Is the
We
brisket
did.
wet?
Brisket's wet.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit.
No, that's the saliva in your mouth. I'm telling you, wet brisket is like wet, literally.
What? Okay.
It's like you see the juice on it, the wetness. I mean, the wet brisket you get over at Jack's Barbecue in Trinity, that thing's wet. Like you put it on a napkin, it's gonna soak the whole napkin with juice.
Okay.
Just my thought.
Okay.
All right, what's next?
Not bad. This rib.
That rib,
This rib right here.
awesome.
Look at that rib.
It's beautiful. Look at all that meat. All right, here we go.
Right, that was bad. Bad.
Yeah, I know. I bit the one side; it didn't come across well.
That's better.
The batter? Yeah, that's what I did. There was one
Better.
good side, one bad
Yeah, I
side.
don't know what happened there.
Yep. Give a little something on your face there.
I'm sure I do.
Just a little something. There it is. You got it. You got it. Should I tell him about that spot right there? Oh. Yeah. Put it back in. Put it
There,
back in.
there.
We'll get a shot of that. Move your hands. All right. What's
Okay.
next?
I'm gonna do the chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken.
What we got in here?
Just bite right into it, dude.
No.
Just pick the whole thing up.
No, I might get into a ricket bone or something.
I don't like. Well, they hatch it and then it splinters the
Hatch it?
bones. Well, they hatch it. Yeah, they hatch the chicken.
Chicken's delicious.
Chicken's delicious.
It's delicious.
There's no reason to
No.
wait on that when it's that good.
No, it's killer. The
Awesome.
chicken's really good.
Awesome. You ready to finish this off?
Yep.
Beans. They're
Beans.
good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart. The more you fart, the better you feel. Eat beans at every meal. Okay. These beans are like how my dad used to make them. Seriously. They taste just like the pinto beans. My dad, he'd go through bean by bean, pull out the little rocks, rinse them off, soak them overnight. These remind me of an old place, you guys are from California, called Pinnacle Peak. It was shaped of a barn, cowboy steaks and beans. These aren't cowboy beans. These are just good, clean, wholesome, firm beans. Pinto beans came out great. I don't like coleslaw that's swimming, but I like it where it's just glazy and it's moist, really moist. Okay, and here we go.
Little tater.
All right, St. Clair's potato salad at Sam's Club is the best potato salad I've ever had, and the shed that they had in their cooler.
Yeah, it
Remember?
was. Yes, that's what they
Okay,
served.
this tastes just like it.
Does.
This has got to be
Does.
St. Clair's. I'm
It's
guessing.
delicious.
This is delicious.
No.
This. Oh my goodness.
Sides were great, except
Really?
the beans. I wasn't a fan.
Yeah, you weren't a fan of the beans.
Not a
Got
fan
it.
of beans, but the potato salad, And
Right.
the coleslaw was just fantastic.
Awesome.
I didn't care for the brisket too much. I just thought it just wasn't that great. The chicken was fantastic. Best chicken we've had, at least I've had since we've been out. It was great. The rib was a little tough. When I tried the first bite, I don't know if it was the backside or if that was just the toughness. So anyway, overall it was a good place to eat. It really was. I would definitely come back though, for sure.
So you would stop at any of the Rudy's, right?
Yes, I would. Yeah.
All of them are
Yep, absolutely.
Awesome.
You bet. I would look forward to it.
Rudy's. First of all, stop throwing out burnt ends. It's a menu item. People in California pay $20 to $25 for a plate of burnt ends. They're amazing. Don't do that anymore. Number 2, pulled pork. If you're a barbecue joint, have pulled pork. All right. Number 3, your ribs. They're just too tough. You're either cooking them too fast. You're not cooking them long enough. You're not. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know the process, but your ribs are tough, but they're really good. You're like this close. If you can get them a little more tender, they'll be flawless. All right. Brisket. That wasn't wet brisket. That was dry brisket. Okay. I asked for wet. I'm sure that was your wet brisket. There needs to be a way to keep them moist and wet in their own juices. Better than that. And then chicken. Home run. Best chicken we've had on the tour this year. Best chicken I've had even compared to last year's tour. That chicken is amazing. Unbelievable. I will come back again and again to Rudy's because I love you guys. All the sides were great, including the beans for me. It's just a great place, guys. So Rudy's, they're attached to gas stations. They're all over Texas and might even be in a few other states. I don't know. But I love this place and I'm glad to be here. And we will have a score on the screen and then breakdown down below, okay? Thank you, Char Griller, for doing this tour. We appreciate it. And we're ready to move on to the next place. Take care.